All right, folks, here's 5 altcoins that I think could absolutely explode this week. Today is April 25th. And the first one we're looking at here is Algorand. I've been talking about this for the last couple of weeks. We just had this big breakout here. So the important thing to note here, guys, is the fact that we are breaking out that orange line right there. That is the 2-month moving average. Okay, it's the 9 EMA. So it's actually the 9-week moving average. So just over a month. It's a momentum indicator. Okay, that means the momentum is kicking in. When we're down below the orange line, that means we're stuck in a downtrend, right? We're getting rejected by it. Okay, but when we break out over it, that means the bulls are stepping here into control. So you could see we have been down below it since back here in August. We got our sell signal, by the way. If you guys are familiar with our strategy, we want to buy these green dots when they're down here below the white line, just like they were back here in 2024, just like it happened here in 2025, and again here in 2026. Okay, but to pair with the green dots, we want to see it break up above those EMAs. You can see we got a green dot right here back in December, but we failed to break out over the EMA. Okay, what that was a bull trap. Okay, a bull trap is where people think we're going back up, okay, and we end up going back down. So because we failed to break over that 9 EMA, right, that was the bull trap. So now, right, we have to expect we're down here, and guess what? We're breaking out over the 9. This looks very strong. I think this is going to have a very big explosive move here in May. Okay, you can see how it's coming up here into the blue line. That's the 4-year moving average. So the orange line's the orange line is the 2-week moving average. This is the 1-year moving average and the 4-year. But you can see how this acts as resistance. So we're thinking this thing is going to pop at least back up here to 27, which is about 150% move from where we're sitting on Algorand. So that one's good. Cetus as well. You guys know this is one of my favorite projects. I told you guys this is one of the most undervalued projects down here at $0.015. It's already up 100% off the last signal. And you can see we're breaking out over the orange line. I think that one's going to have a very, very big move here into the end of the year. We also got Plume. Okay, this is a real world asset. You guys might hear the RWA. That's a sector in crypto, but again, look at how we're breaking out over the orange line. We've been in a downtrend below that orange line since all the way back here in September. So again, crypto's been in a bear market since September and August, guys. We've been in a bear market for 8 months. The people that are calling for a bear market now, I mean, you're seeing these breakouts. This doesn't happen every day, right? This happens like once a year. And I'm looking for a big explosive move here on Algorand. The other one I really like is INJ. Again, getting up over that orange line, getting up over the moving average. We're finally breaking out of the downtrend. And the last one's going to be Radium. This is a Solana ecosystem name. RAY is the ticker. Again, breaking out here, folks. I think it's going to be a big week. These are just 5 names that I think are going to explode, but there are many more.